All right, guys, we're looking at the before pictures here for Paul. There's the crown. There's the hairline. These are marked out on procedure day. Here we are, the man himself. Guys, this is just over 5 months post-transplant. Just look at this hairline. Look how natural this looks. It's going to take 12 months to come in fully. Sometimes I think I get more excited than the patient when I come in. But when you see yourself every day, Paul, you sort of don't see the change the same, do you?
No, not at all.
It's different.
I can tell now, though.
Yeah, man, it's great. So it's going to take 12 months to mature fully. Let's have a look at this crown back here. And when we rebuild the crown area, we recreate that natural swirl pattern. We come in here and have a look. You can see all the new hair coming in here. You always see just a little bit of scalp. It's kind of normal, but this will take 12 months to mature fully. And we've been talking to Paul about doing things to maintain his non-transplanted hair. One of the things I really like here is you can just see the hair angles. You can see how natural this looks, and all the hair angles are sitting down really nicely. Same in the front. You're not locked into styling the hair a certain way. And this is a great example. We were just sort of talking earlier about different hairstyles. Now, when we rebuild a frontal hairline, we use a range of different graft sizes. We're coming really close here and we have a look. You sort of see smaller, slightly finer grafts in the very front. Larger grafts as we work our way back, just to give us a bit more density. It's what we call micron follicular units in the front. Larger groupings in the back, but right on track. Paul's starting to notice things are changing. It's going to take 12 months to come in fully. Any comments from people, feedback? Paul, anyone said anything to you?
No, I'm just, so far so good. I'm happy. Yeah, I'm very happy with how it's come in, and I can definitely tell in the last month or two that it's absolutely growing in. So I'm very happy with the results.
It's awesome. Appreciate your trust. Thanks, Paul.
Absolutely.